are loving Siesta Beach.
Wow.
Oh my god! The sand is so white and soft like powder.
Oh, I just stepped on a Corona Extra bottle cap.
Except for that.
Ow.
Oh my god, it's just so gorgeous. So it's like 6 o'clock, so we got here around sunset, and we're gonna stay here for 2 nights, and we're gonna wake up early, and we're gonna just chill on the beach. Look how white this sand is. Ooh, ooh.
This is our first time stepping foot into the Gulf of Mexico.
I can't wait.
Was it cold?
No, it's not cold at all. Wow. I mean, it's not hot.
Good morning.
Good morning. Woo! It's a hot one.
It's 7 o'clock in the morning.
Why are you saying what I say all the time?
We woke up nice and early to hit these beaches. Just kidding. It's like 1 o'clock in the afternoon. We slept in.
And then we went to go hit up Siesta Key.
Again.
And because it's gorgeous, but it was so crowded we couldn't even find a spot, and it was bumper to bumper. And I don't want to get in a car accident on this trip. I don't. We did that on our West trip.
Yeah, let's not relive any.
And I'm not about that life right now. So now we hit up like a local beach, Turtle Beach it's called.
Well, the reason it's called Turtle Beach is apparently there are massive amounts of sea turtles that nest on the shores. So we're really excited about this, and it is literally 0 people compared to Siesta Key. So we were able to find a parking spot literally
Right on the beach.
right
here.
on the beach here.
Right here. Like the beach is over that little hill.
Yeah, so we're really happy right now. Really excited. So stay posted.
Dunkin' Donuts every day. Look at his new shirt. How cute are you?
Trying to pull off the 1950s
Oh
Hemingway
my god. You're adorable in your pineapple shirt. Hey y'all.
Head north on South Tamiami.
We're going to a seafood restaurant right now called, what is it called?
Tanyami's. No. This is Filipinis Oyster Bar.
And it's so awesome. They have like nice outdoor seating. It looks like a big, just a huge tiki bar restaurant. So I saw it from a mile away. I was like, we're gonna go and feast again. Because no diet restrictions when you on vacation, okay? This is nice.
We are sitting dockside with a bunch of palm trees. I'm waiting for an alligator to come up and bite my leg.
Dockside. That's cool. Look at your shirt. You're so cute. Your new little shirt you got. You're so stylish. You're showing me up on this vlog, okay? You're the stylish one.
So y'all, we just ate the best seafood I've ever had in my life.
We went to town on some seafood and it was phenomenal.
Oh my God.
So we're leaving Sarasota tomorrow. But before we leave, if it's the last thing I do, I want a freaking acai bowl, okay? I have yet to ever have one, like from a real place, like a cafe. I made my own once and it wasn't that good. Good morning, good morning. Good morning.
Same shirt as yesterday.
Actually, me too. Skipped breakfast and it's already like 11 o'clock. We're gonna go grab some acai bowls.
These acai bowls look dope.
Cool. Let's do it.
All right, let's do it. When you walk in fast as hell because the acai bowl is melting.
We got 2 acai bowls.
We got the passion dragon fruit or something.
I don't know what this is.
And the cookies and cold brew. Mine is
This is the chocolate one, but I'm gonna eat some of it anyway.
all of it, let's be honest.
Because that's how I roll.
Does it taste anything like yours?
Nope.
When you tried? What's the difference?
Not at all. Just tastes good.
Oh no. I've had stuff in my beard the whole time. That's gross. Sorry guys.
What else is new?
I'm not sloppy, I promise. There's just no nerves in your beard, you can't tell. Guys, check us out. There's a winter edition of GTS's kombucha. It's blood orange and hibiscus rose.
Hey, we didn't even drink we didn't even get coffee this morning.
Which is probably why we're so tired.
I know. I'm like
cranky.
awake but not.
I know.
I'm like, yeah, so anyway.
The girl asked me where I'm from.
And you
She
forgot.
goes, where are you guys from? I said, oh shit. Where are we from? I froze and I got nervous because I was like, great, she's gonna think. I couldn't think of the word Pennsylvania. And I'm like, great, this girl's gonna think we're like shady or on drugs or something. And then finally Ashley was like, we're from Pennsylvania. I'm like, thank you. Oh, thank you. I was like, yeah, Pennsylvania. That's where
I kind of drew a blank too at first. I literally, for that split second, I went, this is what happens when we don't drink coffee first thing in the morning.